So hi and welcome to this very quick tutorial on how to add a trajectory path in RViz. So I wanted to give a video response to how to do it so you can see it more easily. And basically what I'm trying to show you is how to add this path so that when you use a mapping system and you have a trajectory published, you can see that in RViz. So first things first, I've launched in Robotic Night Academy, which is a system for learning ROS related topics, and here you have a course on Jackal robots, and I've launched the course, but basically you can launch any system that has Gmapping or mapping. And what I'm doing here is launching the mapping system. Then I'm connecting to the visual tools, and here I have already launched the RViz. So you should launch your RViz if it's local, or if you're using some system like Robotic Night Academy or ROS Development Studio, then just launch it via web. And what we have here is the map of the environment, and here we have our Jackal robot, which we'll move here so we can see the things better. And here I have all the systems, all the elements that we want to display, and what I want you to see is these two elements, which are paths. So these elements are added through add. You go here and you scroll down and you select path. Okay, and you'll have something like this. So in this case we have two. We want to see two. The first one that we can place here, we can select the color. For example, I'm going to select color green. Okay, and it's reading this topic that is, in this case, nav base. It's a plan. Okay, it depends on your robot and so on. You'll publish different topics, but basically it's a path topic. Okay? It's a nav message path type topic. In this case, you have the global and the local. So we're going to color in color red the local, like this, and in green the global path. So then I'm selecting a nav goal, and as you can see, the green path is drawn here, and you can see here the red line that it's the local path. There we go. And that's basically it. So that's how you publish this, and you can visualize it in RViz. So you can change stuff like the style of the line, like the color, and so on. But basically it's a very simple way of doing it. So the answer to this question is, how do you do it? Exactly like this. You just add and go to path, then select it and add it, and then when you have it, you'll have something like this. You select the topic that you want to draw, to get the data, the path data from, and then select the color and the style of the line and so on, and that's it basically. So thank you very much. I hope this was informative and useful quick tutorial, and thank you for watching. Bye.